Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Thank you in advance to watch this video. By the way, this is chicken breast and the vegetable and brown rice. I prepare this food for my kids to bring to work. So this is a simple meal that you can bring to work or anywhere that you need something simple to eat. Anyway, we have chicken breast. I slice it into thin and then I bake this for at least 25 minutes until it brown. So ganito lang gagawin natin. Hiwain lang into thin. And pagkatapos nyan, titimplahin lang po natin napakasimple na spices. So after we slice all the chicken breast, I have two part of the chicken breast, and then I wash them again and then dry it, and for the meantime we put our spices. So I have lemon, garlic powder, and black pepper, and a little bit of salt, and parsley, and basil. Dry basil po ang ihalo natin dito. But it depends how you want it in your preference. So, halo-haloin lang po natin ito. So, yan ang mga spices natin nilagay. So, halo-haloin lang natin yung ating may spices at idagdag din natin yung the rest of our lemon. It depends how much or how many chicken breasts that you can use these recipes. And a little bit of salt. So we're gonna put our chicken breast there. So we all done to put our chicken and marinate it for at least few minutes. And this time we prepare asparagus and broccoli. I put oyster sauce. So at the same time we put in the oven together with our vegetables. So ito na nga, the part dito nilagyan natin ng bawat container ng mga vegetables. At lagay na rin natin yung ating chicken breast. So, ganito lang po ang aking i-prepare na pang 3 araw. And the rest ng chicken, iniwa ko ito o ginunting ko siya ng maliliit para naman sa ibang gagawin natin dito. Gagawa po tayo ng salad. Napakasimple na salad lang po ito kung ano lang ang mayroon tayo dito. At ilalagay natin ng ibang gulay tulad ng lettuce, peppers, at mayroon po tayong mango dito. At nasa inyo po ito kung paano nyo gawin yung salad. Napakasimple lang po kasi nga hindi naman kailangan na maraming ihahalo natin sa ating salad. So, siguro nagtaka kayo ba't nilagyan ko ng mangga. Minsan kasi yun ang nilalagay ko sa aking ginagawang salad. Pwede naman po wala pong mangga. Pwede lagyan din ng apple o kung ano mang prutas na pwede nyo ilagay. Kung ang dressing naman ng tinatanong, kahit anong klaseng salad dressing ang ilalagay nyo, pwedeng pwede po. So, thank you for watching. Happy cooking everyone, and please comment down below if you like this video. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Let's eat everyone. Try this recipe.